tutorial. Last tutorial I leave a message about inputs, so we also want to have some form of input control in GLFW, and we can achieve this several of GLFW's input functions. Well, be using GLFW get key function. We'll be using GLFW gets key function, which is writing like this: GLFW gets key function that takes the window as input together with a key. So remember, the parameter is a window, the window and the key. The function return whether this key is currently being pressed. We are creating a process input function to keep all input code organized. So this function we wrote here, we are going to write it in a process input function that we will define ourselves. So first thing we need is the photo type of the function. I would like for us to give the photo type of the function there. So I love to give, you can write your function directly, or just do a photo type, then define it under. So I'm gonna give a photo type of my function. Okay, void, sorry, yeah. It's a void. I want to create a void function. Process input. So this function will be having a parameter of window. We'll be taking the window, then yes, that's all. Then so this is a photo type of the function we are going to implement here. So come down. So what I said was that we'll be using GLFW get key function that takes the windows and inputs together with a key. It takes the window as an input together with a key. The function returns whether this key is currently being pressed. Okay, so we created the process input function to have it. So get if a key is pressed, we are going to do if GLFW get key, then the window. So the window, then GLFW key escape. So anytime you are typing, everything will be popping up. This suggestion will be popping up. So press I love to put some brace GLFW set window function. I'm gonna explain everything. Window should close, window, then true. So what this function does is that we created